Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to customize your AI chatbot in GoHighLevel. So let's get started. First of all, you would want to go in Sites and then click Chat widget on the top right here. Then click Add New. Now, you'd see all these options in what you can choose to get your AI chat widget. So there's voice AI, so the AI talks and listens to the other person. Or there's SMS and email chat where the person types to you and you email back to them. There's WhatsApp chat that you both type in WhatsApp, and there's live chat where the AI or an employee talks to the person live in your website. So you can choose whatever you want from here, but I'm going to teach you specifically how to enable live chat in GoHighLevel. So you're going to see this page here. And then if you click this button, you would see a page right here that you can talk to the AI. Now, this is all about customizing the AI how you want it and telling all your business details to it. So, what you can do is first you can click Appearances and then select the chat icon. So, if you want the chat icon to be like this, you can do this one or whatever you want. Or if you have your own, you can upload it by going here. And now this is the theme. If you want a green theme, you can do that. If you want a purple theme, you can do that. A yellow one, you can do that. Whatever you want. And now, this is the welcome message. The welcome message is basically the first message that the AI types to the other person. So, what we can do here is we can delete the welcome message like this and type your own welcome message. Like, hi, need help? Or you can go to ChatGPT and make your own welcome message. And now this is the Enable Customs Greetings. So this is basically when the AI recognizing the other person's portfolio and says, welcome back. So for example, if their name in GoHighLevel was Mark, they would choose, welcome back, Mark. How can we help you today? Or if it was John, they would do the same for John. But for now, we don't have any. So we're just going to click on widget customization again. Now, you can also replace this picture by just clicking replace and then uploading it here. Whatever you want, making your own employees, making an AI picture, whatever you want. It's totally your choice. Or you can even keep this picture. This is widget positioning now. Widget positioning is basically where the widget is positioned on the page. So if you want in the bottom left, you can select this one. If you want it in the top right, you can select this one. You can want in the top left, you can do this one or whatever you want. But I like it in the bottom right corner, like this one, but you can choose whatever you want. Now, this is the avatar. This is basically the name of your person. So if your employee's name was, for example, John, you could type John in here like that or whatever John's spelling is. Now, that's basically it for style. But let's go in chat window and I'm going to teach you everything in here. This is Thailand intro. So you see this heading right here saying have a question? That's basically this. You can change it to whatever you want. So you can do need help, something like that, or you can do the intro message. The intro message is basically the first message that comes or the second message that comes after you type your message to the AI. So, for example, I typed, I need some help, and the AI says, give us a minute to assign you the best person to help you out. But I can change it to whatever you want. You can go to ChatGPT, make your own, or you can type your own. That's completely your choice. Now, this is the contact form options. This is one of the most important questions because this is the mandatory contact options the AI asks. So, for example, the AI asks your name and your phone number. Those are the two most important. But if you want to add more, just click on this arrow and then you'd see this drop down. and you can choose whatever you want. You can do custom fields, you can do email, whatever you want. And you can even add your own. So if you click here, you can customize it. No, this is button text. So you see this button here? When I type a message, I can send it. This can also be named. So you can do it send, you can do it drop, whatever you want. Again, it's completely your choice because it's your AI chatbot. Now, let's go in live chat assigned. This is basically to enable contact form. So basically, if it's able to, the AI, if it's able to send it to a real life person for the best information, guided. So you can do that. Please share your contact details here, or you can do something like, we recommend to share your contact details to us for better information. Or you can do whatever you want. So let's jump on to timeout delay user interactivity time. This is basically when the user doesn't message or move the cursor on the screen for 5 minutes or more. Then the AI sends this message. Looks like no one's available. Please leave your contact details. We'll get back to you shortly. You can again change this message however you like, but that's what the message is, and that's basically the interactivity time. Now, you can also change this 5 minutes to 2 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or whatever you want. Again, it's completely your choice. Now, let's go in live chat right here. This is, again, the same thing, 5 minutes, but again, you can change the first one and this one. So the first one will be, looks like no one's there, so we'll see you later. And there'll be a second message in how much span of time. This one has to be bigger than the last one. So if I chose my last one 5 minutes, I'm going to keep this 10 minutes. And then I can keep this message. Now, as I told you, this is your chatbot. You can do whatever you want. You can make the theme blue, you can do it yellow, you can do it 20 minutes, you can do an hour, whatever you want. It's completely your choice. So now let's go in live chat business hour setup. This is basically enable business office hours. So basically, if your business works from Monday to Saturday only and doesn't work on Sundays, you can enable this and do Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday when it works. And then the starting time will be 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Or you can do 9 p.m. to 6 p.m. Whatever you want. It's completely your choice, again. But this is mostly for if you're having an employee chat here, not an AI, because the AI can work whenever it wants. And the AI doesn't run out of energy like real humans do. So you can choose this whatever you want. So for example, if Sunday you would work maybe 10 to 5, maybe you can choose it like that. So you can just enter 10 like that. Because Sundays are weekends, you can do that. But or maybe you even work on Saturdays, but maybe you don't work on Sundays or Saturdays or Fridays. You can do whatever you want. And this message will be from AI only because the available hours are so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And if anybody tries to chat from the AI chatbot to Sunday, Friday, or Saturday, it says we're currently offline, or again, you can change it whatever you want. You can change it bye, or you can do it whatever you want. You can do it maybe see you soon. It's completely your choice. Now, this is the additional options right here. This is basically the notification sound. This is very detailed. So if you want the notification sound or not, so you know the notification sound that comes when somebody sends a notification on messages or WhatsApp? That's basically it. So you can do it loud, not allowed, whatever you want. Or you can also do loud sending voice notes. Voice notes is basically when you talk from here and your voice goes out to the AI. Now, this is allow sending attachments, load on user interactions, agency branding, whatever you want. Now, this is the details. So maybe you can do powered by help, like I did. Or you can do sponsored by help. or you can do GHL help, whatever you want. Now this is the display name. You can also change the display name to GHL kid, like that, like GHL kid. That doesn't make sense, but you can choose whatever you want. So you can do sponsor by GHL kid and something like that. Now this is basically the URL of your whole website. So right now it's www.hilp.com. But again, you can choose whatever you want. You play around with it a little bit, you get the hang of it, and then you can make multiple AI chatbots, and you can even sell them to websites. It's completely your choice. Now, you can also do like the legal message by submitting you agree to receive SMS or emails. So the person doesn't send an email to you by, why do I keep getting these spams from your company? Please stop. Or then getting your company in trouble or something like that. Now, this is messaging. This is just acknowledgement when you said thank you for your help and stuff, like your chat has ended. The AI will say your chat has ended or whatever you want again. This is the feedback message. Please rate your experience. This is basically another acknowledgement message. Thank you for taking your time. Now, this is the chat ended message. So you can do the chat ended, start a new chat. So right here, you can see to start a new chat, click here. And again, you can rate your experience too, thumbs up, thumbs down. Now, that's basically all, but you can also do the acknowledgement icon. So this is the acknowledgement icon color. So you can change it to maybe if you want blue, or maybe if you want something red, and that's basically it. And you can also change these two, but for the acknowledgement icon, there are only these two, and you're gonna have to upload if you want some more options. And of course, last but not least, there's a language option that you can choose. There's English, there's French, there's German, there's Dutch, there's whatever you want. There's Portuguese, there's every language in the whole world. That's whatever you choose, that's there. But I'm sorry, guys, I forgot the most important part, naming your chat widget. So we'll name this to test. Let's do 2.0, something like that. There we go, guys. That's all. I hope you know how to make your chat widget in GoHighLevel, name your chat widget, and customize your chat widget. And now that's basically it. And I hope you enjoyed the video. I see you in the next video. Bye, guys.